Hello Java learner, welcome to Stepping Up. Today we are stepping into the visually appealing world of graphical user interfaces or GUI, that is in Java. In next 10 minutes I will guide you through the basics and set you the path to creating interactive and user-friendly Java applications. If you are new here, hit the subscribe buttons, and if you are ready to dive into the GUI programming, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any query, please write down in the comment below. So let's start with first the topic that we are covering today. That is, what is GUI? Importance of GUI in Java. Introduction to Java Swing. Key component of Swing. Let's start. What is GUI? GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. It is a visual way of interacting with a computer using graphical elements such as windows, icons, buttons, and menus. So it is just the definition that with the help of that, it allows the user to interact with software through graphical elements. It's the visual side of software application. And technically, we can say GUI in Java is an easy-to-use visual experience builder for Java applications made of graphical components and like button, labels, windows, etc., through which the user can interact with an applications and plays important and crucial role to build easy interface for Java applications. And we can create this with the help of various functions or types. So we will see how to use, how we can work, and we are using here the swings also in Java. So what are these we are covering today? First of all, the importance of GUI in Java. It is enhance the user experience, provide more intuitive interface, enables the interactions with the complex applications. So whatever the complex applications we have, so we can easily interact with that with the help of GUI. It provides the intuitive interfaces, enhance the user experience. Next is introduction to Java Swing. Java Swing also plays important role. It is in GUI toolkit that includes GUI component. It is one of the component of GUI. Swings, it provides a rich set of widgets and packages to make the sophisticated GUI component for Java applications. And it is a part of Java Foundation classes, which is an API for Java GUI program that provide GUI. And it has Java Swing library also. It is built on top of Java Abstract Widget toolkits and older platform of dependent GUI toolkit. We can use the simple GUI programming components, buttons, text box, or etc. from this library, and we can do not create the component from scratch. So these are its benefits. So it is a part of Java standard GUI toolkit, platform independent, and it replaced the older abstract Windows toolkit, but we can use it right now. We don't have to start from scratch. It gives us the some backups. Means it gives us some values, so we don't have to start from the scratch. It gives us the components like buttons, textbook, and all, text box and all. Now next is the key components. So it has these components: JFrame, this is the main application window; JPanel, container or components; JButtons, button component; JLabel, label for displaying text; JTextField, it is input field for text; JCheckbox, it is checkbox component; JRadio buttons, it is radio button components, like that. So these are the various components of Swing. Next is the Swing features. So it is the rich set of components, customizable look and feel, support event-driven programming, layout managers for flexible design. So these are all the benefits of using this. So it has the container classes also that can have various components, and we can create Java Swing GUI with the help of that. And these are some of its benefits. So I think that's clear. Now next is, these are the features of Swing. Getting started with Swing, first we have to import the java.swing package. So first we have to import this package, then create the JFrame. These are the steps that we have to follow for starting with Swing, and add the component into that and setting the layout manager. So I told you here we have the Swing, so we can add the features into that. So add component and setting out the layout manager. So see, this is first we have imported this package javax.swing, and we create then JFrame, first GUI app, frame set size there, then this its component we are adding, and then finally we is setting out the layout managers. So these all we are doing for setting up the GUI interface. Next is continue from this slide. So JFrame we have created. Now JButtons, it is click me. So it is the button that is using the flowout manager. So like that we can create. So this is just simple. So we have to follow the steps in order to create that, and GUI is active in that. So please follow these 4 steps. First, import the javax.swing package, create JFrame, adding component, and setting layout managers. Yes. Now the running GUI application. So screenshot for the GIF that's showing the how to run the application, emphasis on appearance of GUI window and the buttons. So it has advantages. It improves the user interactions, modern and visually appealing applications. Better organizing of informations are there, so we can easily organize that, and we are easily using that GUI for the various purposes, and it gives us the real life applications, like we are working on that real life advanced feature, dialog menu, and this GUI applications more sophisticated we can add. So we have covered the fundamentals of GUI in Java, their components, containers, how to handle that, what are the patterns that we are following. So you are now equipped with the create interactive and visually appealing Java applications. If the journey through GUI programming spark your interest, hit the like button, share it with your coding buddies, and subscribe for more Java wisdoms. Thanks for joining me today. Happy coding, and I will catch you in the next topic.